The Daily Show last night, you already know by now that Jon Stewart announced that he was going to be leaving the show. This is going to be his last year on The Daily Show, which took a lot of people by shock. Jon Stewart, he's the man. He made that show a show to the point now where people trust The Daily Show more than they do some of the regular news outlets. But, as they say in show business, the show must go on. So, I think people are already thinking about who's going to be the next host of The Daily Show. And we were thinking about it here on the channel, too, and we came up with a few names of people who we think should be the next host of The Daily Show. And rather than just have us blab on and on about who should be the host or why, we just thought we'd put it together in a little musical montage of our 29 picks for the next host of The Daily Show. Enjoy! Number one pick for replacing Jon Stewart at The Daily Show. Now, this choice, we gave a lot of thought, and this person, well, I won't give too much away, but he comes from the regular news outlets. Him and Jon Stewart have quite the history, and to be perfectly honest, I think this guy would be suited for giving the fake news, if you know what I mean.